So guys, there's the shooter here. Just gonna test out the new Cyber Clean that I got. Just go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Let's see what's new. So get this part here. Okay. So open this up right here, like this. Okay, and then we have a substance in here. Okay, I'm just going to take this out. And it says to rub this around in your hands for about 10 seconds. Just kind of rub it with it. Okay, and so it's about done. Just has to level out the pH level in here. And as you see in front of me, we have a computer keyboard that is extremely dusty and dirty, and we're just going to clean that right up with Cyber Clean. That's basically what we're going to do. We'll just set this down real quick. Okay, I'm going to play with it just a little bit more, just both my hands get used to it. Alright. Alright, so I'm just going to take this, and we're just going to press it down, and voila. Now you can see those are still dusty, so I didn't get that part yet. I'm just going to push it down on this side. In between the keys. Okay, we're going to lift it up. I don't know if you guys can see the dirt, but there is definitely dirt on here. Okay, I'm just going to fold this over like that. Okay, now you can definitely see a big difference in there. Okay, I'm just going to press this down over here. It says not to rub, by the way. So, okay, lift that up. And dang, this thing works very good, guys. Very, very good. So you can see right here, just press it down like that. Lift it up. This is ridiculously good. Okay, let's try this part up here. Voila. Like magic. There you go, guys. It's very good substance. Definitely like it a lot. So it's working great, guys. So definitely go get this. I'll put a link in the description down below on where to find this, and I will put how much it is so you guys can go get this stuff. It's a great product, and thanks Cyber Clean for sending this out to me. This is the end of my review, and look at that magic.